Hello everyone, in this video we are asked to integrate sine 7x multiplied by sine 3x dx. So we have that integral of sine 7x multiplied by sine 3x dx. Products of sines and cosines are harder to integrate directly, and for us to be able to integrate this, we have to recall the product to sum identity. Now, recall that by trig identity, we have that sine A multiplied by sine B is equal to 1 divided by 2, open a bracket, cos A minus B minus cos A plus B, all enclosed in a bracket. So therefore, this follows that integral of sine 7x multiplied by sine 3x dx will now be equal to 1 divided by 2, since it's a constant integral of cos 7x minus 3x minus cos 7x plus 3x. Everything here is enclosed in a bracket, multiplied by dx. So we have 1 divided by 2 integral 7x minus 3x is 4x, so we have cos 4x minus 7x plus 3x is 10x, so we have cos 10x, all enclosed in a bracket, multiplied by dx. So we can now integrate each one differently. So we have integral of cos 4x dx minus integral of cos 10x dx. So everything here is enclosed in a bracket. So 1 divided by 2, open a bracket, integral of cos x dx is sine 4x divided by 4 minus integral of 10x dx is sine 10x divided by 10 plus our constant of integration, which is c. So at this point, we can multiply this expression here inside the bracket with 1 over 2. So we have that this is sine 4x divided by 8 minus sine 10x divided by 20 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the function. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video. And for us to reach more audience, please subscribe to our channel. We will see you in the next video. Bye.